Hey guys, here's a 52-inch Hampton Bay Chatham ceiling fan in antique brass. This fan would have featured 4 medium oak blades and a 3 integrated tulip-like kit. This fan I got in a lot of 3 fans, one of them being a Hunter Preference, this one being a Chatham, and the third one being a Sears Hugger. This fan originally came with a 3-arm light kit, and I absolutely despise 3-arm light kits, so I just stuck this turtle fitter on it, and this is what it would originally have come with. The globes are not original, and the blades have been painted over a baby blue color, and they do have some white splotches on them, so I'm guessing this fan would have been installed in a child's bedroom, and the blades were supposed to be pictured as a sky. I'll show that closer when I go close to the fan. This particular one is from April of 1992. It says it on the mounting bracket. There's also a painted on Hampton Bay sticker on the switch housing. But yeah, so anyway, I'll fire it up. Here's the light kit. Light works fine. And here's low. The white version would have been a childhood fan for me. These antique brass ones, not so much. And of course, now we're going to hear the light filament ringing. Bearings are pretty crackled up too, since this fan did sit outside in the rain. I guess the seller left it outside in the pouring rain before he gave it to me. It's medium. I'll tell you what though, it does throw out a decent amount of air. These 90s Hampton Bays, even the early to mid 2000s Hampton Bays were not bad fans. It's going pretty fast and it's moving a good amount of air. I'll switch it to high. The blades, the white splotches on them. The side is slopped paint on the medium oak. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.